What is morning trails, right? It's 11:05. I'm still in the city though. I think last time I made a video like this and I was outside. I had a scarf on. Well, I had my name chain. Yes, I remember. And I'm like, oh, it's still noisy. New York City. I'm outside. I'm outside now, so you're gonna hear it even louder. I'm just like, okay, here we go. Here we go. Just another day. I'm in the Bronx. This is a location in the Bronx. There's nature, there's trees, there's everything within the highways over there and the buildings. You see the buildings. It's still the Bronx, but it's quiet for like a second. So there's more nature. I'm walking, but this tree is calling me. I'm gonna go to that one. And this it's pretty in the summer though. That's the courthouse. Like the transfer. It's crazy. Like hug a tree. You get the chance to hug a tree, just hug a tree, just hug a tree. Like, it's gonna make you feel better.